So now I'm going to share a story which you all already know, everybody. Do you know the story of tortoise and a rabbit?
Yes.
A tortoise and a rabbit, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Who would like to share that story? Okay, yes please.
In this story, there are two living animals. One is tortoise and another is rabbit. Both are challenged to each other to win a race. After some time, both are challenged to win a race. One day they decided to play the race. Play the race.
To race.
Play to
Race with each other.
race with each other.
Yes.
And rabbit goes little bit and tortoise goes more little. Means rabbit run fast but tortoise go little bit.
Yes.
And
The
after
speed of tortoise is, it is, you know, the correct pronunciation of tortoise. Earlier I also used to think it is tortoise, but it is tortoise. Tortoise.
And rabbit goes away from tortoise and he takes some rest. He realized that tortoise move very slow and I will take some rest. But he take more rest and the tortoise passed the way and win the race.
Absolutely, very nice. Can we all please clap for him, everybody? Good job. So the rabbit was faster. Still he was very confident, overconfident, because of which he decided to take rest for some time.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And he lost that race.
Yes.
Right? Everybody. So rabbit was overconfident. And tortoise, he wins the race. Okay. So everybody, there are two terms. With the help of this story, please try to take out the meaning of these two terms. So whatever happened in this story, the rabbit thought that I will win the race, but he did not win the race because of his mindset.
Yes.
What do you understand by the mindset, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please pass the chance to Amit.
Okay, the mindset means is which types of thinking we put in mind and which types of efforts we can put for yourselves.
Yes. So the things which we keep in our mind, or can we say a strong belief? A strong belief which we have in our mind is known as mindset.
Yes.
Okay. Now there are two kinds of mindset, everybody. Does anybody know what kind of mindset we have?
Two types.
Two types of mindsets are there. What are those two types? Any idea? Yes, Renu?
We have two types of mindset. First is that fixed mindset, and second thing is that growth mindset.
Very nice. How did you get to know this?
From YouTube.
Okay, great. That's really nice, and your answer is absolutely correct. So everybody, we have two kinds of mindset. One is a fixed mindset, and second one is the growth mindset. Okay, now please turn towards your partners, everyone, and please share your understanding on the basis of story. From the story, try to take out the meaning of fixed mindset and growth mindset and discuss it with your partners. Okay, please turn towards your partners. Have you all discussed, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. We have discussed.
So who would like to share the answer? Let's listen to Amit. Yes, Amit.
Okay, ma'am, we discussed with our partner the means of fixed mindset is when someone doesn't want to change mind, when someone doesn't accept the failures and mistakes. It's called fixed mindset.
Wow, great, really great. So everybody, the fixed mindset is the mindset which is fixed. Means we don't want to change that mindset. We have a strong belief. Let's say I say that I am failed in mathematics. Now I cannot pass or I cannot improve myself. Right? So that means I have a fixed mindset. And in the story, the rabbit also had the fixed mindset.
Yes.
He thought that I will definitely win the race. Right? And that was his fixed mindset, because of which he became overconfident and he could not win the race. Right? Now what is growth mindset? Okay, let's listen to Rajat.
Growth mindset, it's always try to new strategy apply.
Try to apply new strategies. Very good, very nice. So in growth mindset, it is just the opposite of fixed mindset, right? Here we are ready to change our thinking. If once we are failed, we will not sit with the same thought that now I can't do anything. We will learn from our mistakes, we'll learn from our failures, and then we will try to improve it. And this is known as growth mindset. Absolutely right, everybody. Now everyone, I have one more question which you need to think, which you need to discuss with your partners, right? And the question is that can the same person have fixed mindset also sometimes and growth mindset as well? Like, can we have sometimes fixed mindset also and sometimes growth mindset?
Yes.
Is it possible?
Yes.
Yes.
If yes, then how? Please think of some examples and discuss it with your peers.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I fail in achieving any goal,
Mm-hmm.
and then I feel that I can't do anything in this field, but if anybody is just motivated me that you can do anything,
Right.
yes, and then I have growth mindset for working in this field.
Absolutely right. So it happens with almost everybody that we at some point of time we have fixed mindset, but after some time either we motivate our own selves or somebody else motivates us and we develop growth mindset.
mindset.
So it is possible for a person to have both the mindset at different point of time, right? At different situations. Great, everybody. So is there any confusion with fixed mindset and growth mindset now?
No.
Are you sure, everybody? Yes. Shall I check your understanding? Okay. So there are two kind of people.
Yes.
So this is one person and this is
Second person.
another person. Okay, which one do you think has fixed mindset? Which image do you think has fixed mindset? Okay, yes please.
Second person, it's a fixed mindset
Second person, why?
because second person is very sad. I can't do it.
Yes, the second person is sad that I can't do it, right? And he is not successful in his life because of his fixed mindset. Okay, so this person has fixed mindset and this person has growth mindset. Okay, now we are going to I'm going to conduct the pick a side activity, everybody. I will be sharing some phrases, okay, like I can do it, I can't do it, and some other phrases also.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay, so see, there are two sides, one towards the left and one is on the right hand side. Okay, now the phrases which I am going to ask, if you think that these phrases are the examples of growth mindset, then you all have to move towards which side? Growth mindset. This side. Okay? My right hand side. Your left and my right side. And if you think that my phrase is the example of fixed mindset, then where will you move?
We have to move our right hand side.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So Aarti, if my example is I can't do it because I have financial issues, where will you move?
I will go fixed mindset left side.
Fixed mindset? Left side. My left and your right. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Yes. Okay. Shall we start now? Yes. So please stand up, everyone. So my first example is I can't do it because I'm not intelligent. I don't have talent. I can't do it. Okay. So Radha Mohan, why did you choose this side?
Because in this situation, one person is think that I cannot do it because he is very stressful mind and fixed mindset. I can't do it.
Okay, very good. He has fixed his mind that he can't do it and he is not ready for learning. Very nice, very nice. Please clap for everybody, everyone. Good job. Okay, my second sentence is I can do it. Please listen to me completely, everybody. I can do it because I was born intelligent. I can do it because I was born intelligent.
Fix.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You'll be here. I said I can do it. Can. Still you are on this side fixed mindset.
Yes.
Why? Let's listen to somebody else this time. Yes, Amit. You may come this side.
I choose the side of fixed mindset because I can do it because I born talented, because no one has that much talented. We can make ourselves talented by our performance, by our efforts, and still we have to do more practice. We can more talented.
Yes. If we do more practice, we can become more intelligent and talented.
Yes.
But it is not from the birth only.
Yes.
If somebody says that I am intelligent from birth, that means he has stopped learning. He is not ready to learn and grow. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is why it is fixed mindset. Very nice. Okay. Now next is I can do it because I am hardworking and I am ready to learn. Okay. Yes, Prakash, why did you choose this side?
This is a good growth mindset, because when I have a mindset like I have done it because I work hard and I am always active and ready to face any challenges.
Very nice. I am ready to face any challenge.
Yes.
Right? And if I am ready to face the challenges, I will definitely succeed.
Yes.
Very nice. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay. Next one. I fail when I make mistakes. So when I make mistakes, I always fail. Yes, Ravi is on growth mindset. Rest everybody is on fixed mindset. So Ravi,
because in that statement he can accept that I am failed because I am doing mistakes, so I will work on my mistakes, and it's a type of growth mindset.
but I did not say that I will work on my mistake. I am disappointed that whenever I make mistake, I always get failed.
Okay, तो So I think I go with them.
Okay, let's listen to them also. So let's listen to Rajat. Rajat, why did you choose this side? If you are confused, you can listen to Rajat. Rajat, why did you choose this side?
because we are fail. I'm not trying. Because I'm fixed mindset. Because I'm not trying to new.
Yes. So when I am saying, very good. So when I am saying that I always fail when I make mistakes, so that means I'm afraid of making mistakes. Right? I'm afraid of making mistakes, and this is why I will not try it again. Okay? So this is fixed mindset. Okay. Very good. Making mistakes is a new way to learn. So is it growth mindset for is it growth mindset for everybody?
Yes.
Okay. And why do you think so, Mukesh?
Yes. Because of this, when we don't do any mistake in our life, then I never get succeed. So we have to for growth of ourselves, we have to done mistake, and we have to learn from that mistake.
Yes.
People do mistake and learn from that.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So-
Please clap for him, everybody. Yes. So whenever any mistake happens, we need to learn from that mistake.
Yes.
Right? And this is why my last phrase is again related to mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Growth mindset. Oh, this is why you're not moving. Well done, everybody. Please clap for yourself, everyone.